A kind word or smile may seem small, but it can change someone's whole day. With this today thought, we are start here our worksheet 2 of chapter 3 exponents and radical. Question number 1. Our question number 1 is here simplify. It have 5 parts here. So our first part is x raised to power 1 by 2 multiply by x raised to power 5 by 2. In this parts, we apply this formula a raised to power m multiply by a raised to power n. Here exponents are different, m and n are different, which is equal to a raised to power m plus n. We have, the question is in multiply, then we have to add the exponent if we have the same base. So, apply the formula in the first part. I write it here. X raised to power 1 by 2 into x raised to power 5 by 2. Here x means base. Here base is same. X means base is same, and here m is equal to 1 upon 2, n is equal to 5 by 2. Then it is equal to x raised to power 1 upon 2 multiply changes to plus symbol plus 5 upon 2. Here we have same denominator. We can take LCM here. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. Here we have LCM is equal to 2. So in next step, I write here is equal to x raised to power, then here 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are 1 plus 2 ones are 2, 1 5s are 5. This is equal to x raised to power 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 upon 2. I can't write this here properly, so I write it again. X raised to power 1 plus 5 is equal to 6 upon 2. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6 is equal to x raised to power 3 is our answer of this question. Our second part is x raised to power 6 upon 5 divided by x raised to power 1 upon 5. Now I write here answer of this question. I write it as it has same base, x raised to power 6 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. So here is equal to, we have same denominator, 5 ones are 5, 6 ones are 6 minus 5 ones are 5, 1 ones are 1 is equal to x raised to power 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 5 upon 5 and 5 cancels this 5 ones are 5 is equal to x raised to power 1, which is equal to x. X is our answer of this question. Now our third part is I write the third part here. Third part is x raised to power 7 then bracket 0 multiply by 0. So I write here answer x raised to power 7 multiply by 0 is equal to 0 and x raised to power naught, which is always equal to 1. This is our answer of this question. Our fourth part is 5x raised to power 5 upon 6 multiply by 6x raised to power 1 upon 6. I write here answer. Then 5 is multiply with x raised to power 5 upon 6. 5 multiply by x upon 5 upon 6 multiply by 6 multiply by x raised to power 1 upon 6. I write here the constant term with together 5 multiply by this 6. I write these both constant term together multiply by x raised to power this 5 upon 6 multiply by x raised to power this 1 upon 6. 5 6 are 30 multiply by this have same base here x and here x, this have same base, x raised to power 5 upon 6 then plus 1 upon 6 here. So this is equal to 30 x. Here this have both same base and have same denominator. So our here LCM is 6. 6 1 is 6. 1 5 is 5. I write here 5 plus 6 1 is 6. 1 1 is 1. This is equal to 30 x raised to power 6 upon 6 and 6 1 is 6. This is equal to 30 x is our answer of this question. Now move to our last part of this question. This is x raised to power minus 7 upon 2 multiply by 2 raised to power x raised to power minus 1 upon 2. So I write here answer. Now I write this 2 in the numerator. I write this 2 in the numerator, then upon, then the negative exponent changes into the positive exponent. X raised to power 7 upon 2 plus they have same base x and x plus this minus 1 upon 2 also change into the positive exponent. It becomes 1 upon 2 here. 1 upon 2 here is equal to 2 upon x raised to power. They have both 2 in the denominator, means LCM is our 2. 2 ones are 2 here, 7 plus 1. This is equal to 2 upon x raised to power 8 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are, sorry, here comes 2. Here comes 2, here 2 here. 8 upon 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. This is equal to 2 upon x raised to power 4 is our answer. So that's all in today's video. Stay connected with us for more videos for of the next worksheet. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.